Welcome to my channel on the Hook Crochet with Jeannie, and let's find out what's on the hook today. First of all, I'm wearing a sweater that it's my green sweater with James Brett Harmony yarn. I love it. I've been wearing it quite a bit, and this morning I'm wearing it with a chartreuse tank top because it's a little bit warmer today, but the sweater being cotton is very comfortable. So I'm going to be wearing this today, and it'll keep me nice and warm, but it won't be too hot. So I just wanted to tell you what I'm wearing here. And then on Crystal, I have finished my Stormy Waters Infinity scarf, and I wanted to show it to you. It is absolutely lovely. I made it just by the pattern, and it called for 51 inches of the rectangle that I showed you in a previous video. And it's made with Unforgettable yarn by Red Heart. Remember, we talked about this one. The color is Polo, and it has the halo on it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to always show you the halo on these things, but it does go out into the air a little bit. But what's nice about this yarn is very slick. So when it's crocheted up, and I'm going to take this off, Crystal, so you can see how it turned out. But there is the detail of the stitches. It's 2 rows. One row is double crochet. The next row is a front post, a single crochet, and a front post double crochet in sets of 3. And you can see them. There's 3 there, 3 there, 3 there. So it's not hard to make. And then I just slip stitched the ends together, and it turned out very beautifully. So I just wanted you all to see this, how pretty that is, and the colorway is absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to show you this as a finished object. So I'll be wearing this probably in the fall. If I made it out of a little bit lighter color, I might be able to, some of that fuzz in my mouth, I might be able to wear it in the summer. So a lighter color in the Unforgettable, I don't know if they have it. I haven't really looked at the color schedule for it, so I don't know. But it'd be worth a shot. But this is going to be a nice Christmas present. I actually spent 1 ball on this whole scarf. So 1 ball of Unforgettable will make the 51-inch scarf. It's very easy to make, and it can make a great Christmas present. So I just wanted you to see that beautiful colorway there for the Unforgettable Red Heart yarn. It did pull from the inside, like I have talked about before with some of the other yarns. They don't pull from the inside, but this one did. So it was very easy to use. It's a number 4, and it crochets up quick. You use a J hook. So just a suggestion for Christmas presents for friends, and for the women on your list, they would absolutely love it. So, and it's actually very soft. I've been wearing it around the house a little bit today. And before I recorded my video, I had it on, and I thought, wow, that is really soft and nice. So even on your bare neck, it is not scratchy at all. It is a new pattern that I'm trying out, and it's Sewrella's Confetti Cardigan. I don't have a picture of it here, but it's just a cardigan, no buttons in the front. It just falls straight. It's called Paint Box Yarns. You've probably seen this. If you crochet very much at all, you can get this on several sites, but I buy it on Love Knitting. They're very efficient. It's usually here within a week or less. And I bought this to make her pattern from. And it's cotton DK. It's all cotton. Love the color. It's called Stormy Gray. And there's only 137 yards on each ball. So I ordered probably 9 balls of it. I think it was 9 balls. And it was on sale for, you know, $1.99 or something, or maybe $1.49. Anyway, the whole sweater is going to cost me less than 20 bucks. And that's really nice for a handmade sweater. I think with nice yarn, using a high quality yarn, I think that's probably a fair price. Now, what I've done is I've made almost a whole, I've used up 2 balls of yarn. This is the second ball of yarn. This is how much I have left. And I've made the back. And it's very, very light. You can see through it. And this is intended to be a spring and summer, a little long sleeve cardigan that I could wear in a restaurant, over a tank top or a sleeveless blouse or a short sleeve blouse, and be very comfortable. And it wouldn't be a very dark black hoodie or something. You don't want to wear that in a restaurant in the spring and summer. You want to look summery. So what I do is I make lightweight things to wear into restaurants so that I'm not uncomfortable. Sometimes it's just way too cold in there. And even young people are putting on, you know, cowls and scarves in restaurants. So I thought I would make this cardigan so that I can kind of keep it in my car. It goes with pretty much any color, and I can wear this in a restaurant. So I've made the back, and it took me almost no time at all. It's made with a J hook, and it goes very quickly, and it's half double crochet, which is my very favorite stitch of all time. I love it because it takes up a little bit of room. It's not as open as a double crochet, and for wearables, it's a really nice stitch. In fact, this is done in half double crochet, so it's quite lovely. It goes fast, and it looks great on. So I just wanted to bring those things up in video, and I'm so glad you joined me. Subscribe to my channel and help me grow, and when we reach 100 subscribers, I will have a giveaway, and I've already got the item that I'm going to give away, and I'm excited about it. It's something that you'll really, really like. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. It won't be long, so be looking for that video. Anyway, join me next time to find out what's on the hook.